Hey honeybees, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Sierra. I do videos on beauty, finance, and lifestyle. So today's video is going to be a haul slash unboxing. It's going to be dun, da, 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 a Louis Vuitton haul. This is not any typical Louis Vuitton. This is actually a replica. Yeah, you heard me. This is a replica. All of this is a replica, the bag, the box, everything. So you're gonna want to stay tuned to see exactly what it is that I'm unboxing, and I want you to be the judge if this replica is fab or fail. Okay, so you guys know I have reviewed in my day some replica bags. I have real Louis Vuitton, I have replica Louis Vuitton, and I actually am starting to prefer replica over the regular thing, just because it's so much cheaper and you really can wear and tear it and you don't have to worry about it. I did do a YSL replica, which I will link below and above for you to check out, and I also had some Louis Vuitton items in there, so definitely check that out. But this is going to be a Louis Vuitton bag for spring, and I got a wallet, and this is from Z Bags. I will link it below for you guys to check out. But anyways, here is the big old bag. First, I'm going to unbox the wallet. It comes in this Louis Vuitton box like this. If you care about this stuff, it comes with like the envelope with like the receipt, and it comes with the little tags and all that. So if you're into that. Ooh, here is the wallet. This is the pink monogram Louis Vuitton wallet, and I have had my eye on this for spring for so long just because it's cute and it's pink. It has places for all your credit cards and a zipper for change. The zipper's really good quality actually. I'm loving that. It's got lots of compartments, so there's lots of space to put things. There's no shortage of space at all. You can put your cash in there. This is really cute. I am loving this. There's also a little pocket in the back, as you can see. It's so cute. It's pretty. I like it. It's dainty and it's feminine. It's perfect for spring. It just looks really authentic. They put a lot of care and design and crafting into this. Inside, that's what the inside looks like. You never know. I think another fun reason to try out replicas is because you may want to go to the store and buy the real thing, but a replica is gonna really let you know, do I like the style of the bag or the wallet or the purse? Do I like the design of it? Does it work for me? Is it functional? Does it go with things that I wear often? Am I even gonna use it often? And so you can kind of find that out before you spend tons and tons and tons of money on a designer piece if you so choose. Very cute, very dainty. I'm loving this. Super, super cute. Oh my gosh. I am feeling it. Totally feeling it for spring. Okay, so next is my bag. This is a bag that I have been wanting for a while and I have been wanting to try. So I thought, hey, why not try the replica version and see if I like it, rock it for spring, and go from there. So it comes in this big old Louis Vuitton box. Y'all, I was about to say the box is coming apart, but it's supposed to do that. It's magnetic. That's cool. Okay, so here's the bag. Comes in the dust bag. Here we go. The replica of the Neverfull GM in the Damier Azur with the rose ballerine interior. Okay. Oh, and it comes with the little mini wristlet that goes with it. The little mini one that goes inside of it. And this one's pink on the inside too. I love this. When I got my first Neverfull, that was back when they didn't used to come with like the little wristlet purses that come inside of them now. So that's nice that you get this in there too. Here's the little wristlet or wallet or whatever you want to call it. I love the interior of this. I'm obsessed with the interior. It's so pretty. Forget the outside. I just love the pink inside. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty. I wish you guys could see. I feel like the camera's not doing this justice, how pretty the inside of this, like what a pretty pink that is. I am obsessed. Anyways, enough about the inside. This is what the bag looks like. And it's just the Damier Azur. It's a pretty like white color for spring. So I've got the Damier in the Ebene, and I've always wanted the lighter color. So we will see how this replica holds up. But so far, I'm really, really impressed. Cannot wait to use this with my wallet. But yeah, overall, I'm really impressed. It's a good sturdy material. I'm just obsessed with the inside. I can't wait to just throw this in here and use it and just tote it around for spring. But yeah, I'll let you guys see a little bit closer. You could cinch these in to be like more of a handbag, shoulder bag. Y'all don't judge me when you see me in the street with my replica. This is cute, okay? Super cute, super cute. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this replica haul for spring. If you guys like these videos, I think I'm gonna be trying out some more replica sites just to kind of see, you know, what the quality is like, and just review it for you guys, because you guys asked me so much about where I get my replicas from and all of that. And so I think that I'm gonna do some more videos, but you guys let me know if you want me to, and let me know what you think of this bag. I think it's absolutely adorable. Super cute for spring and summer. Like I said, I did get the wallet in the bag from Z Bags. I will link them below. Super great quality. I'm very, very impressed, especially with all the packaging and everything. They did a great job on this replica. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.